Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Ameris app. So let's get started. To download and install that app, you have to follow this easy step. If you are an Android user, then you can use your Google Play, and if you are an Apple user, then you have to use your Apple Store. So here I will just go to my Google search bar and search for the app. Then here we can see it. So from here you have to click on the install button and you can directly download and install the app. So by this way you can do it, and if you scroll down you can see for the review and you can see the other reviews too. So if you have any uh, question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.